Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Joe Profit channel. This is Joe. Stay tuned. See what's coming up next. So what I got here is a kit from Directions Bushcraft. Now what I ordered was the teacher's kit, and you'll get 15 of these little small bags, little tinder bags, plumb full of the tinder that they select. Wide variety of tinder, which is really great. Inside, I have found these little papers that tell you what it is, where to get it, what it looks like, what it's used for. Now, this particular one is Mullen, just Mullen tops. You know, it's been dried out. It's a good fire extender. Pretty much find these about anywhere once you realize what it is that you're looking at. So, I mean, it's really not that bad. You're going to get 15 of these in the kit. I highly suggest going over and checking it out there for Directions Bushcraft. If you really want to learn stuff, this is a great way to do it. It's a great teaching kit. You know, whether you want to teach Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, your own kids, your significant other, or if you're like me and you just want to learn more about this stuff, this is a great kit. Comes in a nice big bag that holds 15 of these. Really great deal. I think it's like $33, $35, something like that. And then, like I said, you know, you're getting something quality. That little small bag had 5 or 6 of these in there, so it's not a single use, it's a multi-time that you can use each of these tenders. Makes it really nice. So this is Joe at the Joe Profit channel. If you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more of me working on this bowl, I will be doing a YouTube live Saturday, and I will continue to work on this, and you guys sit down and watch me do this a little bit. Probably be about 10-15 minutes of your time, but if you want to see that, stay tuned, and I will see you Saturday. You guys have a good day.